Why to use such lengthy sentences when you can use one word to explain the same, right? When you practice with this video, you will speak and write English like a rhetoric. Let's get started. One who is not sure about God's existence is called agnostic. Agnostic. One who does not believe in the existence of God is called atheist. Atheist. One who makes an official examination of accounts is called auditor. Auditor. One who can use either hand with ease is called ambidextrous. Ambidextrous. One who does a thing for pleasure and not as a profession is called amateur. Amateur. A person who deliberately sets fire to a building is called arsonist. Arsonist. A person who has changed his faith is called apostate. Apostate. A person who believes in or tries to bring about a state of lawlessness is called anarchist. Anarchist. A person appointed by two parties to solve a dispute, arbitrator. Arbitrator. One who leads an austere life is called ascetic. Ascetic. Austere means strict. An unconventional style of living is Bohemian. Bohemian. One who is bad in spellings is called Cacographer. Cacographer. One who feeds on human flesh is called cannibal. Cannibal. A person who is blindly devoted to an idea, a person displaying aggressive or exaggerated patriotism is called chauvinist. Chauvinist. A critical judge of any art and craft is called connoisseur. Connoisseur. Persons living at the same time is called contemporaries. Contemporaries. One who is recovering health after illness is called convalescent. Convalescent. A girl or woman who flirts with a man is called coquette. Coquette. A person who regards the whole world as his country is called cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan. One who is a center of attraction is called Cynosure. Cynosure. One who sneers at the beliefs of others is called cynic. Cynic. A leader or orator who espouses the cause of the common people are called demagogue. Demagogue. One who is for pleasure of eating and drinking is called epicure. Epicure. One who often talks of his achievements is called egotist. Egotist. Someone who leaves one country to settle in another is called emigrant. Emigrant. A man who is womanish in his habits is called effeminate. Effeminate. One who is hard to please, very selective in his habits, is called fastidious. Fastidious. One who runs away from justice is called fugitive. Fugitive. One who is filled with excessive enthusiasm in religious matters is called fanatic. Fanatic. One who believes in fate is called fatalist. Fatalist. A lover of good food is called gourmand. Gourmand. Conferred as an honor is called honorary. Honorary. A person who acts against religion is called heretic. Heretic. A person of intellectual or erudite tastes is called highbrow. Highbrow. A patient with imaginary symptoms and ailments is called hypochondriac. Hypochondriac. A person who is controlled by wife is called henpeck. Henpeck. One who does not express himself freely is called introvert. Introvert. Who behaves without moral principles is called immoral. Immoral. A person who is incapable of being tampered with is called impregnable. Impregnable. One who is unable to pay his debts is called insolvent. Insolvent. A person who is mentally ill is called lunatic. Lunatic. A person who dislikes humankind and avoids human society is called misanthrope. Misanthrope. A person who is primarily concerned with making money at the expense of ethics is called mercenary. Mercenary. Someone in love with himself is called narcissist. Narcissist. One who collects coins as hobby is called numismatist. Numismatist. A person who likes or admires woman is called philogynist. Philogynist. A lover of mankind is called philanthropist. Philanthropist. A person who speaks more than one language is called polyglot. Polyglot. One who lives in solitude is called recluse. Recluse. One who studies the evolution of mankind is called anthropologist. Anthropologist. The art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing is called rhetoric. Rhetoric. With this, we have covered 51 words. You need to practice so that you never forget these words. For basic English conversation practice, you can watch the video on the right. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.